Hello, everybody. Let's talk about very quickly how you can create a cover photo for Facebook groups, Facebook business pages, even your own personal page. Okay, I wanted to make a video. I'm going to start doing small, short videos, instructional videos. Instead of me just telling you, I want to show you. I'm such a visual learner, and this is how we all going to learn. Okay, so you're going to go to canva.com. It is a free site. They do have a paid version, but you don't need that. Okay, so in here everything pretty much is done for you. If you do not want to start a design straight from scratch, from ground zero, you do not have to. They have them on here, everything. Okay, for every social media platform they have the sizing already. Do not complicate this. Okay, we want to work absolutely smarter and faster and not trying to just start new things. Okay, so here on the search bar, okay, on the search bar up here, you're going to type in Facebook cover. Facebook cover. And if you see what opened up here, you have a couple of options. You got this 1640 by 924. And then this is something else. I will go with this one, with the 1640 by 924. All you got to do is click on that one time, one click, okay? And it's going to bring up literally countless of templates. Right now is almost 18,000 templates. You can filter it if you want. Do not need to be doing all that. All you can do is just scroll. Something that's appealing to you. What do you like? What looks good to you, depending on the group, the business page, personal page, whatever you want to use this for, which ones appeal to you. So just go ahead and scroll with the little click of a mouse. It doesn't matter if you're on an iPad, this works anywhere, even on your phone. Okay, so this is pretty. I like that. Depending on what you're going for. If you're going for travel, if you're going for health and wellness, if you're going for cooking, whatever, think about what you want. Okay, do not scroll too far, because it's 18,000. Okay, you don't need to overwhelm the mind. Something that appeals to you, especially if it's for a business page, you want to go for these, right? Whatever your aesthetic is, whatever your brand is, you can always change the colors, right? I always like the multi-tiles because you can add, like this one here. Let's say that you were doing something that you want to feature different products and services. I like the tiles because you can add something to each tile, and it's kind of showing a preview of what your page is about. All right. Or if you like a clean aesthetic, you can just keep it super simple here with this, with a lady, a person on there, right? You don't have to be your picture. It can be a business picture. I like this. Anything with blocks and different tiles that I can add different alternative to the eyes. I just gravitate towards that. This one too, a lot of different options here. You can keep it simple like this, right? This looks more like a YouTube channel, something a little more. This is gaming, obviously, right? You can see by very youthful looking. All right. So again, I'm not going to bore you with, I just want to give you have your mind up and up, right? Think about what your page is about. This is about technology, business, fashion. Again, literally the possibilities are truly endless. Okay, if you want to do travel, just do something bright, obviously, right? Because people like to see themselves at the beach, at beautiful resorts, cruising. So everything has a color scheme for a reason, right? Colors is huge in advertising. It truly is. You have your reds and your yellows and your greens and all that. We're going to talk about that as we go along here. But anyway, okay, so you can click on the one that appeals to you. You can also save them. You can create a folder of favorites with the star there. I don't know, my computer is very slow when I am recording. Okay, so I clicked on it once, and I might have done it twice. Let's say that this is what you like. Say that you like this aesthetic here. Let's say that you want to change the color, right? Maybe you want to change the picture of the person. Maybe your own picture you want to put up, whatever, right? On here, as you can see with the mouse, guys, simple. With the mouse, wherever you click, you're going to see, if you see a color here, right here where my little hand is, you can change that color, right? You see it, it says color. Just, you can do the colors of your brand. You can do whatever it is, okay? I don't know, maybe I just go with black, okay? I don't know, I don't think that purple is going to look good, but it's just, I'm just doing it quick for demonstration purposes, okay? So on here, you can change the name to your whatever your page name is, okay? All right, let's say that our page is called Healthy Lifestyle. Okay, Healthy Lifestyle. Let's just you can, if you don't have a company name, unless you want to, if you want to brand yourself, you can, put that here if you want to. If not, you can delete it. Myself Inc. All right, and then let's say that this is your little logo, okay? And again, I'm actually going to do a very intensive, okay? I've been on Canva at the time of this video for 8 years, and to me is absolutely my go-to tool for creating. I can go to my brand kit for whatever company I'm doing content for. And again, my computer is so slow, guys. I do apologize. Every time I'm taping, this is what happens. But in this case, I'm going to use my own brand. And I'm going to bring that brand kit up over here. And in that kit, I have my logos, my colors, my fonts. All of those things are on there. Okay, so I'm going to pick the color. Okay, so let's say that I want to put my logo on here. I have my logo in different colors and fonts and all that. Again, do not get overwhelmed. This is not even about all this. This was about creating a very quick Facebook cover page, and now the video is super long. But on here, you can have a little slogan if you want. And I don't think for a cover photo, you need to have a learn more button, right? Because nobody's really going to click on that. So you can delete that. And if you make a mistake, you can use the back arrow right here. Back arrow, like I made a mistake there. And then if you want to have your number, that is up to you. And that's it. I will put this a little higher because it's too low for me. And let's say that you are done, okay? If you wanted to change the photo, add your own photo, you can go to photos here on Canva and look for a photo that you want. They have a photo right here. And once you pull up the photos, right? Just another quick tutorial. Once you pull up photos, you can type again and type in business. And then you can grab one of those, and all you do is click with the mouse and drag it. That's done. Once you're done, then you're going to download. So you're going to go up here to share and download. That's it. Well, you can name it. Okay. Before we do that, let's back up, and you can go up here and give it a name. Okay. Keep everything organized. You can do HL for short. Healthy Lifestyle Facebook cover. That's it. Okay. Share, download. Okay. Download again. And that's it. It's going into your computer or your phone folder where you have all your photos if you're doing this on your phone. Okay. So you're now going to go to Facebook, and there you're going to go to the page that you created. And you also will want to make a profile picture for this, which can be your face if you want to, or a logo. All right. So this is what the page looks like. Okay. So you're going to go here where it says edit cover photo. And then you're going to do upload photo, right? Which is sitting on your computer or on your phone. And then you're going to go to downloads and double click on it, and it's going to go straight here. already sized, already looking good. Over here is kind of covering the phone, so you can drag it up if you want to a little bit, so that when people is looking at this from their computer, it shows the phone as well. Even though the phone is not necessary, but it's fine. So once it's looking good to you, especially on PC and on mobile, then you click on Save Changes. And that's it, right? Now your page has a nice, beautiful cover photo that goes with your branding. Excuse me. Now for this, for the logo or for the profile picture, also same thing. Go to Canva, create a profile picture, and then put it on here. That's going to be another video, right? Let's do that in another video. But that's it. That's it for this video. That's how you create a cover photo on Canva and bring it over to your new business page. Okay, guys? I'll see you in the next instructional video.